everyone, so today we have a USB Type-C multifunctional adapter. I'm just going to do an unboxing of it so we can check out the quality, first-hand experience as far as the product goes. Just to mention, this is how it arrived to me aside from the Amazon packaging. The Amazon packaging was one of those bubble bags that they ship in, those bubble paper mailers. So, and inside of it was the actual product. Besides that, I have not actually opened the product, so this would be my first look at it along with you. So, that being said, I'm just showing you the box and how it arrived, so you can see it, how you can expect your item to arrive as well. So, of course, you see the front of the product, and then we have the back, and it shows you on the back there's little check boxes as to which product it is. And this one's a PD plus HDMI plus 2-port hub. So, let's get a little close up in case it didn't show up right on the camera. And of course, they have, I guess, I'm not sure if that's Chinese, Japanese, or another Asian style text, but they have that on the side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this open. Very easy to open. So the product itself is actually individually wrapped. That's good. Just helps protect it from dust, basic elements, you know, in the process of getting it to you, so it doesn't get scratched up and stuff like that. Very basic and easy to take out. And this is the device. As you can see, it's very compact in size, so it's very convenient to travel with. And you can see you have your different HDMI ports, USB ports, and you know, your little power source, depending on how you're going to use it, as well as your actual cord here as well. So it feels like it's very sturdy. It feels lightweight, but not cheaply made. It feels like a nice quality. So, compact in size, very easy to store when you're not using. The cord is very short, so make sure whatever you're using this little port for, you don't need a long cord, but generally things like this, you don't need a long cord anyway. And if need be, you can always get one of those longer USB cords if you're using it, say, for your computer or something of that nature. Just get one of the long adapter type cords and plug this in from adapter to adapter. But feels very nice, feels like nice quality, and feels pretty impressive. So I'll have a link in the description below for anybody interested in purchasing this or checking it out a little bit further for themselves.